Hey guys, it's me, Mrs. B. Are you ready to join me again for number lines and counting with coins? Brilliant, got my coin pot ready. Let's get ready to shine and learn. So boys and girls, I must tell you that Gloria's not here to help us today. She was struggling to count in twos, so she's practicing that a bit more before she joins us again. What you can see on the paper today are 10p coins. Let's have a closer look. And 5p coins. Okay. Now, if you're like us, we've got that coin jar that I showed you at the beginning lying around with just lots of old coins. And if you haven't, just ask parents or carers to start and collect some for you, or empty your money box and see what you've got. You might not be able to go all the way up to 100, but if you can't, that's fine. Let's have a look at our steps of 10 to start. So, always remember 0, which we forgot last time, didn't we? And we've got 10p coins here. So help me count again, boys and girls. Let's go 10, 20, 30, 40. Brilliant counting, keep on going. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, all the way to 100. Fantastic. Now, remember we said about the 5p coins at the top, starting at 0. Let's change the colour. 5p coins. Can we see the orange? Hopefully okay. We're going to count in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 95, 100. Now we've got to 100 again, so we've counted from 0 to 100 in tens, and we've also counted in fives from 0 to 100 as well. Hopefully what you can start to see here is that 2 5p coins are worth the same as 1 10p coin. So not only is it helping you learn to count in steps of fives and tens, it's also helping your understanding of the value of those coins. So if we were to take 5 10p coins, how much is that worth, boys and girls? That's right, 50. 50 what? 50 pence, correct. So put a p sign at the end, remember. What about 5p coins? How many 5p coins are there in 50 pence? Well, there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That also links brilliantly to times tables, doesn't it? Because we know now that 10 times 5 equals 50. And that 5 times 10 also equals 50. We love the maths links, guys, don't we? So I've now brought in some 20 pence coins. I'm going to place these in steps of 20. So we're going to use our tens number line that we counted along, and we're going to put a 20p there. So I now know that 4 5p coins, because 5, 10, 15, 20, that's 4 coins. 4 5s are worth 20, or the same as 20. 2 10s are also the same as 20, but 1 20p coin is 20. Now if I go another 20, 10, 20, I know that 40 is the next number in 20s. Let's go another 20, boys and girls. Let's do the fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. I've landed at 60. There, another 20p. Can you see the pattern? We're jumping 2 steps each time, aren't we? Let's see what happens when we do that. Brilliant. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That tells me that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 20s in 100, or 5 20 pences in £1. Our final coin is a 50. Now, if I look at where the 50 is, it's here, and it's all on its own. Another 50 pence makes 100, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of 10. Excellent, boys and girls. Hopefully that's really going to help you start to learn the value of money and how many coins are worth each amount up to £1. A brilliant start. If you think that's been good fun and you've enjoyed learning those coins and numbers and counting in steps, please share with your friends and tell them all about Mrs. B. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share, and always shine and learn.